Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code extension which actually is a live compiler and debugger for your Python code. So if you write Python code side by side, it will run the Python code with live preview. So this is actually the extension for VS Code. Just go to the extensions tab and just type here live code for Python, and this extension will come right here. It's real-time Python. It will evaluate your code as you type in real time. In the right hand corner of the screen, it will show you the output here as you type the code here. So simply install this extension. I've already installed it, and simply it will be installed it globally. And now simply run a simple Python file here, create a app.py file, and you will see this icon appearing, this blue icon appearing. Simply click on that icon and you will see instantly it will, as you type the Python code, just declare some variables. So as you can see on the right hand side, it is showing you the output here. And if you declare, let's suppose, a variable, I say 5 plus 5, it will show the result to me. Sum is equal to 10. You can evaluate here any expressions. You don't need to run the Python script for this. So let's suppose I declare a function right here which returns the sum of two numbers. So now if I call this function right here 3 comma 4, it exactly tells you which is the arguments, which is 3 comma 4, and this function returns 7. So in this easy way you can just have any function. This is a subtract function, same goes 10 comma 4, it basically returns 6. So this is actually a live Python compiler and debugger extension for VS Code. Simply install it and start using it, and this will save you a lot of time because you no longer need to go to terminal and simply run the Python script, because earlier on you need to run the Python script and then see the output. It will simply, if you write a print statement, it will show you the output right itself. In the output section you will see hello world. It can be a string, it can be a number as well. So 5 plus 5, you can see it's equal to 10. So this is the output. So live preview, it will show you on the right hand side. So this is the extension. Simply install it, live code for Python, and start using it. And it can be any expression, any function as well. You can see 2 comma 3, it returns 6. This is a multiplication function, addition, subtraction. You can do this. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.